In this video, I'll guide you through how you can download and install Chrome on laptop and PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To download and install Google Chrome on your computer, at the beginning you need to download it from their official website. To download the Google Chrome, you can go with any other browser. Let's go with Brave and search for Google Chrome. Now open the first official website and click on Download Google Chrome and click on Download Chrome. Then this can pop will appear and click on Save. Then Google Chrome will download on your computer. Now you have to open the file and double click on it to install it on your computer. After complete the installation process, this page will open. Now you have to do an option. You can sign in with your Google account or you can go with without sign in. Let's go with the second option, continue without an account. Now give a name and click on done. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily download Google Chrome on laptop and PC.